Introducing the Coach Vigue Funko Pop.
My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a 10-minute stretch routine for tight hips, hip flexors, hip extenders, glutes, lower back. We're gonna hit all that with these amazing dynamic, body weight only, all fitness levels exercises. Are you ready? Make sure you're warmed up. Click that like button and let's begin in child's pose. If you have any more requests for 10-minute videos, put them down below in the comments. Take the knees, edges of the mat. We're gonna press back in child's pose and sway it side to side. Let's open up the back, the glutes, stretching the flexors and the spine. Rock it side to side. Just 10 minutes a day makes an amazing difference in how you look, how you feel, how your life is. One more time, each side. Now walk the hands over to the right as far as you wish and press back. You can take the knees wider if you like. Oh, feel the movement in the spine, in your back, walking to the other side. And press back. Move within the stretch. Always make it dynamic, flowing through your range of motion to open and unlock as much as you can. All right, back to the center. Take the knees a little bit wider, hands under the shoulders, rounding up into a cat stretch, tuck the chin, and then drop the stomach down into a cow, shoulders back, articulate the spine. Work it all together. One more time, each one. Round up. You can always repeat this flow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And cow. All right, bring your right foot forward. A low lunge. Knee is under the, or is over the ankle rather. Ankle under the knee. Left knee is down. From here, you can stay right here, work on this, or start to pulse forward and back. That will look a little different to each person. Inhale forward. Feel that length in the quad, the hip stretch, the hip flexor, and then back. Forward and back. We're getting the hamstrings here too, the underside of the leg, into the glute, the calf. We call this a runner's lunge right here as you rock it back. Good, embrace that movement. Let your body flow right through it. A little bit more, draw this foot towards you. In the calf, whew, just delicious. Stretching on the go, making it all better. Youthening your body. One more time. There's that stretch. Switch sides. Shake it out when you're ready. Other side. Inhale forward. Nice and fluid movements. Can lift on the lunge so shoulders drop back, opening the chest. Oh, here comes a truck. It's a hip stretch truck. Hopefully they're not stopping. And drawing this toe towards us right there. Oh, feels so right. One more time, each one. How's that feel? Feel good? I heard that. Somebody over there made a sound, some kind of weird sound. I appreciate that. All right, where was I? Bring that right knee forward, left leg back. Let me turn around here. It's called a 90-90. Try to get both those legs 90 degrees. One of my favorites. Do it every night when I'm working down in my back cave. Always doing the stretches. We're gonna rock it side to side. Sit up tall, drop your shoulders back. I guess I can untuck the shirt. Sink it down. Oh, what a nice twist. Activating more mobility in your back, and your hips, and your quads. If you want more, hands together. When you come to the side, twist. Running out of room. There we go. Trying to stay on the mat. I've learned my lesson in Tennessee, traveling off the mat, getting poison ivy, getting all sorts of weird things. Bites. So try to stay on. Stay on. Down. Let's do it 2 more times each side. Slow, methodical, fluid. You want to squeeze everything out of each movement that you can. You know it's good when the instructor's commenting how good it is. Like, this is great. I knew it was great, but doing it with you, doing it together, you feel it all over again. It's amazing. Now take it into pigeon pose. Right leg forward, slide that left leg back, and add some pulses here. This right foot, bring it as far forward as you can. If you want, you can bring it to your left hand and hold it. Either way, we're gonna pulse forward, inhale, lift. So nice. 4 more. Exhale, inhale. You can flex that back leg if you like when you come up. That's an optional add-on. You can always modify as you need to. Stretch it out right here. Lengthen. Lift. Oh, a pliable spine, a pliable back is a beautiful thing, my friends. Longevity. If that's what you want. Well, this is it. Lift up. Hold it here for a moment. Lift higher. All right, that'll do it. Let's go to the other side. Oh, lawnmowers are out. Feels like Florida. All right, 5 pulses. Tuck here. Come on. Oh my goodness, how's that feel? 3 more. Hitting all those sweet spots. Fill and empty the lungs, my friends. Learn that deep breathing. Let it inspire and release your nervous system at the same time. Excuse me. And lift. Hold it right here. Little wobbly side to side, little movement. Oh. You like to hit these spots and just hang out for a bit. Feel that. Oh, man. Years off the body, your own massage right here, right now. All right, take it back. Downward facing dog. Walk out the legs. Little rotation. 3 more breaths. All right, stepping the foot out, we come into a garland squat. You can take your hands up here if you like, or come all the way down. Now you want to be tall, so the upper body, you want to keep it from falling forward like this. You want to lift up, shoulders back, chest open. Use the elbows to pry open the hips. So as we exhale, we're going to open, inhale, release, like an accordion. The old Gus Walensky. Open, close. Take the elbows further out. Oh my. Tailbone sinking down, the crown of your head is lifting up. Classic garland squat through the ages. Our ancestors did it. Opens up the spine, releases tension in the glutes, in other areas as well. All right, one more time. Sorry, I had a moment there. That is good. Hang out here as long as you like. Let's shake out the legs. Finish in, ta-da, frog. Take the knees wide. Flex the feet or tops of the feet down, forearms down. We're gonna rock it forward and back. The pulsing frog. A lot has been written about this, a lot has been posted. People list this one a lot as releasing trauma in the mind, in the body. I'll leave that up to you. If you got trauma that's going to be released in this pose, let it out. Inhale forward. Never know the reaction to these movements. They can really speak to you. And back. Let's do 2 more breaths. Open as you will. The gravity and the body weight will work together to open that stretch with a little help from your breath. You get by with a little help from your breath, or a lot of help from your breath. All right, hold it, hold it. Let the ants bite my feet. Let them nibble on me. How does that feel? We got 10 minutes right here. Hips, 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 the rest of the body. Great work, my friends. If this workout helped, click that like button right now. Get it out to more and more people. Subscribe and click the notification bell up there and never miss one of my workouts. If you have requests for more 10-minute workouts from me, Coach Vigue, let me know in the comments below. I'll take a look at them. Look at them every day, see what we got. I'm going to keep filming them anywhere, anytime. And make sure you pick this up, or one of these, or this, that, those. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.